Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the maintenance of cost records and applicability of cost audit under the Companies Act 2013. So, as per the Companies Cost Records and Audit Rules 2014, cost accounting maintenance records is applicable to companies. Company means including the foreign company also in specific regulated or non-regulated sector as mentioned in the table A and B. For regulated and non-regulated sector you can refer table A and B, wherein if the overall annual turnover of a company is equal to or greater than 35 crore from all the products or services in the previous year, these kind of companies are mandatorily required to maintain the cost accounting record which is prescribed as per CRA1 form. Now, what is the key applicability criteria and threshold limit? Industry type. So, companies engaged in production, processing, manufacturing, mining activities, which is listed in table A, regulated. Table A means regulated table. Table B means non-regulated sector of the company, of the industry. And this table is basically annexed with companies cost records and audit rules 2014. So is there any threshold limit? Obviously yes. The overall annual turnover from all the products services during the immediately preceding financial year must be 35 crore or more. So what are the key sectors that are basically required to maintenance of cost accounting records? The key sector includes pharmaceuticals, steel, cement, sugar, textiles, chemical, electrical, tea, coffee, oil, gas, and power, and many more. So, is there any company to whom the exemption is applicable from maintenance of cost accounting records? Obviously, yes. Companies which are in special economic zones, companies with revenue from exports exceeding 75% of the total revenue, companies operating only as a licensing office, and companies covered under MSMED Act 2006. So kind of companies, they are not required to maintain the cost accounting records as per the accounting and audit rules 2014. Now this was all about cost maintenance of cost accounting. Now the next question is when the cost audit is applicable. If the cost records are mandated, the cost audit is required only if table A regulated companies overall turnover is greater than or equal to 50 crore and individual products and services turnover is equal to greater than 25 crore. If these two conditions satisfied, then cost audit is applicable for regulated sector or table A companies. Whereas in case of a table B companies which are non-regulated, if their overall turnover of such companies is equal to greater than 100 crore and individual products or service turnover is equal to or greater than 35 crore, then cost audit is applicable to these kind of companies also. Now the thin line is once cost audit applicable, cost accounting maintenance of rules applicable, the cost records must be maintained continuously in subsequent year as well. So this is the crux about these rules of maintenance and audit of cost audit and cost records 2014. So hope my dear friends, this is all about the cost accounting audit and maintenance of cost accounting records rules as it was requested one of my viewer regarding the cost accounting maintenance records and audit. So hopefully soon we will be discussing one more video on another concept of finance. So with this I end my video and request all my viewers to subscribe my channel, to share my video as much as you can, and advise me, and through the medium of comments, how the best I can prepare more videos. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you very much.